Hey everyone, Kayla with Rezio here. Wanted to go through another way you can use Mason, your Rezio AI assistant, to help you out when you're in the platform. Not only can Mason surface project information, it can also assist you with how-tos for different aspects of the Rezio platform. So for example, you could ask it, how do I create a change order? And Mason is actually going to be able to pull up some step-by-step instructions for you guys, as well as provide a link to the Rezio knowledge base with information on how to utilize the Rezio platform itself. So we're going to let this do some thinking. As you saw there, it's pulling information from our knowledge base. And then we're going to take this and follow along the steps. So here we go. It's going to give me step-by-step instructions to create a change order in Rezio, as well as give me a link back to the Rezio knowledge base. So if I wanted to do a little bit more in-depth research here, I could click on my link and here we go. Rezio's change order process. There's even a video to assist us here, but we also have, steps 1 through 7 as well displayed directly here in the platform. Really excited about the ability for this to help you guys instantly with these different searches and questions. If you're not a current Rezio customer, we'd love to schedule a demo with you. And if you are a current Rezio customer and you have additional questions, please reach out to your Rezio customer success coach or manager. We'd love to help you out. Thanks so much.